Hello architecture and interior lovers. Welcome to BIM Concept. Today, we are pleased to introduce a creative renovation project that our channel wants to share with you. A compact apartment, about 57 square meters. Located in the vibrant central area of Tokyo, Japan. That is house in Hakusan, designed by KENTA Hirayama Architect and Associates. What is special about this apartment is that it is located in a corner position, filled with natural light, and facing directly to a large botanical garden, bringing a fresh, emotional living space, despite its modest area. This renovation project was carried out with the goal of combining the rustic features of the old building with the modernity and sophistication of new materials. The building is over 50 years old, with a classic concrete structure, and we decided to expose the original concrete frame, highlighting its rugged, strong beauty. This creates a contrast with the new materials used, such as cherry wood and zelkova wood, two types of wood with delicate grain and natural feel. This combination not only brings a contrasting but harmonious beauty, but also evokes the connection between the living space inside and the natural landscape outside. One of the highlights of this design is that we minimize the use of partition walls, instead using sliding walls and smart interior systems to optimize space. The kitchen is located in the center, becoming the heart of the apartment, helping the homeowner easily observe all areas such as the dining room, working area, and even the bedroom. In particular, we also designed a continuous path from the kitchen to the living room, creating a flow of air circulation and natural light, giving the feeling that the apartment is much more spacious than its actual area. To further highlight the space, a large mirror is placed behind the kitchen, not only making the kitchen area lighter, but also creating visual depth, while reflecting the lush green landscape from the garden into the apartment, creating a unique connection between nature and living space. We hope you love this project. If you find the content useful and inspiring, don't forget to like and share the video to help us spread the love for architecture and interior design. Your support is the motivation for BIM Concept to continue to bring creative ideas and unique projects in the future.